In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a pin on Pinterest. After creating your Pinterest account, you want to upload some couple of pins on your Pinterest board. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom middle corner where you see this plus icon and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with two options, whether you want to create a pin or you want to create a board. In this case, we are interested in creating a pin, so all we have to do is to tap on pin. In order for you to create a pin, you have to first allow permissions to your phone gallery. This will enable Pinterest app to get access to the various pictures that you have on your gallery in order for you to upload it. And once you follow these steps, you will successfully be able to upload any pin that you want to upload on your Pinterest account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.